In this video, we will see how to create a template. So template are basically pre-approved messages because as a business, we cannot send any random messages to our contacts. So we need to create these templates for doing our promotions, giving any update to the customers, or for any other notifications. So to create a template, log on to your WhatsApp dashboard, and on the bottom right corner, click on Create Template. This is the template creation page. Uh, so in the first field, which is the name, you have to give the name of the template. Keep in mind that name should be in lowercase letters only, and instead of space, you can use underscore. So as I can see, I am using this welcome underscore message too. So you can use the alphanumeric characters. Now on the category, we can select from these three categories. So depending on your message content, you can select the category. Like the first option is marketing. So if your content is uh, something promotional or related to any advertisement or any product launch, any greeting message or any awareness campaign, so you can select the marketing version, marketing category. The second option is for authentication related messages. So it would be like OTPs which you can send to your customers or any login passcodes, right? So it is used for authentication templates. Now the third is utility. So this is basically used for sending any account updates, alerts, order notifications, or reminders like monthly bill payment reminder or any updates like if let's say your order is delivered, shipped, or cancelled. So if your content is of these types, then you can select the utility category. Now, as I'm creating a welcome message, this is an awareness message, so I will just select the marketing category. Then I will select my language based on my content, which is in English. Now we have two template types. First is text only, which means I can only write text here and save my message template. Apart from that, if I want any interactive or media component inside my template, then I will select the media and interactive template type. In media interactive, the first option is header. So I can either write a text-based header, or if I want, I can select any media file as a header. So all the media formats, respective to their sizes, are visible here. So for image, which is less than 5 MB, for video, the max size is 16 MB, and so on. And their formats are also visible here. So I'll just select an image. This is my image. And after selecting the image, I will select the body content. So here in the body area, I need to paste my content. So I have created one content and I will just paste it here. So this is my content, which you can see. This is an offer message. So I will just paste it here. And also you can use emojis here, right? As you can see. And let's say if you want to bold any sentence or any character, then you can use these star mark, which is an asterisk sign. You can use this from starting to ending. And the in between text will become bold. Now, after pasting my body content, if I want to add a variable, I will just add a variable after hello. Basically, it is used for sending a dynamic content. So let's say if I want to send the name of the customers after the hello message, then I will send the hello. I will add this variable after the hello. And to whichever contact I send this template, their name should automatically appear here. Similarly to the main variable, I can also add multiple variables in multiple places of the template. So this is my variable number one, and I have to give a sample value for this variable, like what we are sending, so that once I save this template, Meta will know that I am using this variable to send the name of the customers. After selecting the variable, we can select the footer. So inside footer, we can give any important information like a reply, stop, if you want to subscribe. This will help those customers who don't want to receive the messages, and this will prompt them to write the stop message, through which you can know that these customers will no longer want to accept messages from us. So instead of reporting, customers can directly send the stop message. Now below footer, we can see the button option. So the first type of button is call to action. Here I can add a call us or click to call button. So to add that button, I need to give the button name. So I've given the name as call us, and to which number I wanted to make the call. So I will just write the phone number here. I'll get a call to action, click to call button below my template. And if somebody clicks on this button, they will automatically be redirected to their uh, dialer pad of their phone. Now the second button is URL. So I can click on add URL, and so for the URL button, I need to give it a text. So let's say if I'm adding my website link in the button, so I will write website here. Now we have to select the website type. So let's say I'm sending a landing page to my customers. So the landing page could be for your social media website or for your own website, right? Yeah. So I select the static option as website type and just write the link of my landing page. Similarly, you can put your social media profile link as well. Now, apart from static, if I select the dynamic option, so I can change the URL. So let's say after selecting the dynamic, I have to write a variable here, and this variable can be changed while we send this template to the customer. So let's say if we are creating a order update template. So the order update or order tracking link templates will be different for every individual, right? So this variable will help you to change the endpoint of that URL later on while you send the template to the customer. So currently I will just use the static type because I'm using a landing page here. Now if I save this, this template is saved now, and on the right hand side I can see the preview of this template. Right. Now if I go back, so as I can see this welcome message to template which I have put it right now is approved now. So this will be approved from Meta. Once you save the template, so for some time it will remain in the pending section. The pending section basically means your template is in review from Meta end, and if you have entered the content of your template as a valid content and in the good format, then your template will get approved uh, quite fast. So as I can see, this template is approved now. And we have another button option like quick reply. So this is the quick reply button type where I can add some buttons like interested, not interested, and stop. What it will do is it will give the users an option to select any of these buttons. Once you select the button, it will be sent to you as a reply. So you can just know what customers are thinking about your message, right? And using these messages, we can trigger chatbots also. So it is quite useful to use this quick reply buttons. Now, if I save this template will also get approved. So keep in mind that in 24 hours, we can only edit the template once. So yeah, we can only edit the template once in 24 hours, right? And if I see this update is also approved right here. So this is how you create this template. And using the chat section and broadcast section, we can start sending this template now to any of the contacts which we want.